Hi, you got a Lumi spa. I am so excited for you and we are so grateful for your business. I want to walk you through really quick how to use your Lumi spa in a really fast and easy couple minutes each morning and night. A reminder, you're going to get the best results when you use your Lumi spa twice a day for the full 2 minutes, okay? So you're gonna go ahead and grab your device. You're gonna be able to stick that magnetic charger on anytime it needs a charge. Go ahead and let it get a full charge. It'll tell you that it's charged. And then you're gonna go ahead and grab your head. Now, we have a gentle head if you have super sensitive skin, the normal head that came on it, or we do have a firm head. That's a harder clean, a stronger clean. And I like to use this one when I wear makeup, okay? But I'm gonna use the normal head that comes on the Lumi Spa this morning. And all three Lumi Spas, the black one, the exclusive one, or the blue or pink, all work the same. Then you're gonna grab your Lumi Spa cleanser. I use the sensitive. We also have the normal combo, the acne, the oily, or the sensitive, dry, acne, oily, normal combo. I think that's all of them. And then the new charcoal for the men's. I'm going to put some right on the head. And then what I like to do is I like to take my moisture mist here. If you don't have this, it's okay. But if you do, or you're looking to add to your sub and save order, go ahead and give your face a couple squirts. It gives it a little moisture. It's got the hyaluronic acid in it, so it's really good for your skin as well. And then I'm going to dab onto the 4 quadrants of my face. If you don't have the moisture mist, go ahead and just wet your Lumi head just a little bit like that. Turn it on, the heads are gonna start to spin in opposite direction, and you're gonna go ahead and start in 1 quadrant of your face, giving that quadrant of your face a very good clean. Now, if you're like me a little bit, you're gonna overlap just a tiny bit. I'm gonna do my lower jaw as I'm doing this cheek. I like to move it around. If you push too hard or you go too fast, the Lumi Spa is going to stop. I'm sure that will happen here at some point, and when it does, I will tell you. Otherwise, it's gonna sound pretty like even, the tone. And when it does change gears, or you're gonna hear a shift like that, that means it's time to rotate to the next area of your face. So now I'm gonna give my jaw, chin, underneath here a really good cleanse, okay? While I'm waiting for the next section. Again, if I go too fast or push too hard, it's gonna give me kind of a warning. And if it does that, I'll say, oh, there it was, so that you can go back and listen to that. But otherwise, it's timing it out for me. It's making sure that I'm giving my face a good all over clean. I'm gonna close my mouth, get around my lips there, even though I'm talking to you guys. Oh, change gears again. So we're moving to the next quadrant here. And then when I'm done, I'm gonna simply rinse this off really thoroughly. One really important part of skincare is to use either throwaway cloths. You can buy them on Amazon or at many skincare stores, or just make sure you're using a clean towel, or that was when it stopped. I was pushing too hard, going too fast. Make sure you're using a clean towel or wash rag after you rinse, okay? You do not want to sleep on a dirty pillowcase or use a dirty towel when you just have done your skincare routine. So make sure as you're doing this work and putting in these 2 minutes in the morning and 2 minutes in the afternoon, that you also take care of that last step, which is making sure that you use a clean wash rag or towel after you rinse. And then same thing as far as pillowcase goes. Make sure that you're washing your pillowcase regularly versus, maybe going too long. I'm guilty of that. So this is a no judgment zone, but just reminding you that all of those things also help. Now, this is best followed with a toner. So go ahead and connect with your Nu Skin affiliate on toners. I like to use either the pH Balance toner, or I have a little bit of acne. It was my son's birthday weekend and I had some cake and some sugary things. So I'm gonna use my clear toner. I'm gonna rinse my cleanser off, dry with a clean towel. I'm gonna grab a cotton pad, apply my toner. I'm gonna let that dry, and then I'm gonna pick my serum or treatment. That may be True Line Corrector, which is great for those forehead wrinkles for me. It could be our Future Serum, which I love, our Retinol at night, any one of our many serums. So it goes cleanse, tone, treat, and then moisturize. So I'm gonna throw on some of our Radiant Day moisturizer and I'll be set for the day. One of our award-winning moisturizers, Pillow Glow, is so good for at night. So talk to your affiliate if you don't have a good toner, a treatment, or facial serum, and then a moisturizer, and they'll be able to help you. Let me know if you have any questions at all. Hopefully this short walkthrough was helpful to you.